COVID-19 spreads between people who are in close contact. It means like within 6 feet through respiratory droplets. These respiratory droplets are created when someone talks, coughs, or sneezes. Staying away from the others helps stop the spread of COVID 19. The caregiver, when taking care of someone who is sick at home, it's very important that they need to protect themselves as well as protect others. For that, they need to limit contact with the person who is sick. The person who is sick should isolate themselves from others in the home. If possible, the sick person should live in a separate room with attached bathroom. If possible, have the patient who is sick stay in his own room and away from others. Try to stay at least 6 feet away from the sick person. If you have to share space, make sure that the room has a good airflow. Open the window to increase the air circulation. Improving the ventilation helps remove the respiratory droplets from air. Avoid having visitors. Avoid having any unnecessary visitors, especially visits by the people who are at a high risk of developing a severe illness. The caregiver should wear a mask, either double layer, triple layered, or N95 masks may be considered when in the same room with the ill person. Front portion of the mask should not be touched or handled during use. If the mask gets wet or dirty with secretions, it must be changed immediately. Discard the mask after use and perform the hand washing after disposal of the mask. So avoid touching your own face, nose, or mouth. Hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is very important, especially if you are taking care of a person who is sick. So hand hygiene is basically practiced before and after preparing the food, before eating, after using the toilet, and whenever hands look dirty. Use soap and water for hand washing. Wash your hands for at least 40 seconds. Alcohol based hand sanitizer can be used if the hands are not visibly spoiled or if you don't have access to soap and water. After using soap and water, use the disposable paper towels to dry the hands if you have the availability. If not available, use a dedicated clean cloth towels and replace them when they become wet. Perform hand hygiene before and after removing the gloves. So, whenever you are getting exposed to the patient or the patient's environment, avoid direct contact with body fluids of the patient, particularly the oral or the respiratory secretions. Use disposable gloves while handling the patient. Avoid, avoid exposure to potentially contaminated items in his immediate environment, like eating utensils, dishes, drinks, used towels, or the bed sheets. Food must be provided to the patient in his room. Utensils and dishes used by the patient should be cleaned with the soap or a detergent and water wearing gloves. The utensils and dishes may be reused. Clean hands after taking off gloves or handling used item. You use triple layered medical mask and disposable gloves while cleaning or handling the surfaces, clothing or linen used by the patient. Perform hand hygiene before and after removing the gloves. So the person who is sick, they need to stay in the room and if possible they need to eat in their own room. Wash the hands and utensils using the gloves and the hot water. That is very important. Clean the hands after taking off gloves and handling the used items.